Hi Veggie Fit families, it's Dr. Yami and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. The other day I was at my dentist's office. I love my dentist. I've had him for several years. And his daughter is actually vegan, winning. So I'm very excited because his daughter is now living in the garage apartment, and my dentist and his wife are now eating more plant-based meals, which is great. They themselves are not fully plant-based, but they enjoy eating more vegan and plant-based food. So we were pleasantly chatting about it. He was talking about having used a meal service in the past, the kind that they deliver to your house and you do the meals. But now his daughter is starting to cook and it's great. So everything is going great. And then he says, it's just such a shame that eating healthy is so expensive. What? And you guys know, I can't hold back. So I said, you know that's just a myth, right? It's not more expensive to eat a vegan diet. Actually, it's the opposite. You save money. I just have a few examples here to show you how you can actually save money eating a plant-based diet. First of all, one of the best ways to get good quality calories in that are filling and long-lasting, lots of fiber and antioxidants, is to buy dried beans and dried grains. So I got these. This is 1 pound of dried black beans at the store for about $1.50. Now 1 pound of beans will yield 6 cups of cooked beans. That is definitely more than one meal, especially for a single person. But even for a family of 4, this will last me 2 or 3 meals. $1.50, guys. How about brown rice? This is 2 pounds of brown rice. I think it was about $1.69. And the same as beans, you can get about a triple yield from 1 cup of brown rice. So a 2 pound bag of brown rice is gonna give you about 12 cups of cooked rice. That's way more than several meals. This will last you a long time. You can use it in all kinds of recipes and soups, and just with your brown rice and beans, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So this is definitely a way to save money. Now, potatoes are great. Did you know that potatoes are one of the most satiating foods? When Dr. Barbara Rolls in her laboratory studied satiety of foods, she found that potatoes were some of the most satisfying. So here's a sweet potato. I think for this, it's a nice heavy sweet potato. It was about $1.65. And this russet potato was 43 cents, okay? This is definitely gonna last you. It's gonna be hearty in your tummy. You do not have to go through the McDonald's drive-thru. Okay, fruits and vegetables. Everybody says fruits and vegetables are expensive. This bag of bell peppers, broccoli, and eggplant was less than $5. Definitely more than a meal. Maybe 2 or 3 meals for a family of 4. And then these apples, 99 cents a pound. This was about $5 worth of apples. So let me show you how easy you can make a meal out of these types of foods that are inexpensive. Pasta. We bought a pound or a box of pasta. This was actually the gluten-free pasta. It was in the regular pasta aisle, a whole box for less than $2. And then some pasta sauce, some steamed broccoli, an apple, and a cutie. Look at this. Inexpensive, delicious, filling, and beautiful. And then we have my favorite and my kids' favorite, rice and beans. So we have some brown rice, black beans, some cherry tomatoes, and some baby carrots. Beautiful, delicious, nutritious, inexpensive. Guys, let's stop propagating the myth that it is expensive to eat healthy food. Not only is it not expensive, but think about how much money you will save down the road, or your kids as they grow up, how much money that they'll save. They don't have to pay for medicines or medical bills or visits to the doctor's office because they have tummy aches. You can eat this way, you don't have to break the bank, it can be yummy, and you can do it very simply. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you found it useful. I'd love to know what you think. Do you think it's expensive to eat a plant-based diet? Comment below, give me a like, share this video, and I hope that you have a very plantastic day.
And so my biggest success is always when I can take a classic patient and turn them into a lifestyle patient. So I had a guy come in, maybe 45 years old, very heavy guy, 300 pounds, just big burly guy, deep voice. And he'd been in the ER 3 times for gout flares, also has diabetes, on 2 medications. And, he came in to see me and I was like, look, if we change your diet, we can get rid of all of this. And I kind of asked him my screening questions to determine whether or not he is someone who would be interested in changing his diet. He was. I set him up for a longer appointment. We went through all of the nutritional information about gout and diet and diabetes and diet. Came back 12 weeks later, had no gout flares over that time, despite having 3 in a row just before coming to see me. And we got his A1C down so far that we were able to completely take him off all of his medications. And so he's the kind of person who is just doing the best he can. He doesn't have the right information, but